Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to set environment variables in Windows, then watch this video. So how do we set environment variables? We follow these steps. Right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, and then we'll scroll right to the bottom and click on about. Then we will click on, so these are the specs of the system for your knowledge, and we will click on advanced system settings, and here we will find environment variables. So we can, these are the existing environment variables for the system. We can click on new and create a new variable, enter the variable value. We can edit the existing variables by clicking on the variable we want to edit and click on edit, and then edit also on. We can also delete the existing variables which are not required if they are not required. So this is how to access environment variable, folks. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.